So the enterprises that sit within the portfolios of these programs have a better chance of being able to raise private sector capital than they had before.
We want to use this as an opportunity to be in one room together to first celebrate the incredible work that you all have done, and also take advantage of having this small cohort together to really talk through what are these learnings, what are these themes, and how can we move forward.
Government is open, startups are open, everybody is open, things are happening, but funding for working capital and of course investment which has still not caught up, and that's really what hasn't changed.
There is capital available for proven models after you've kind of scaled to a point, but not enough capital to kind of get you to that point.
Problems in the world are changing and it's ever evolving. So I think these conversations are important. It'll happen when we have collaborations happening.
Part of the market linkages, we also leverage a lot of the ANDE networks in international geographies as well, whether it was Southeast Asia, Africa.
That ANDE plausibly contributed in 10 out of these 14 cases. That's a sizable number. One example that we have taken here is that in this case, a debt-leaning fund actually had a mandate to deploy into security, but it had no curated pipeline. And so what happened was that there was an ESO-led pitch event that introduced 4 candidate enterprises, and they could actually make that movement in. So that's a very clear case of impact happening.
When I met a few founders, everybody was talking about capital, talking about the problem of capital, and talking about raising more capital, achieving a certain valuation. I think the conversation today was much more profound. Today, people were speaking about the problem that they were trying to solve.
We've done a lot of VC pitches and things like that, and people are really understanding the certain growth trajectory. And for us, it's for a reason that we've done a certain growth trajectory, and people, they get it.
ANDE has been doing a lot of great work in convening the entire waste and circular ecosystem. They have brought together not just startups, but also people who invest in these startups, people who help them build these startups and help them go to the market as well. There is constructive dialogue between one another since the program started in 2023. But there's still a lot more work to be done in the future as well. And I'm excited to what holds next in this stage.